Oh man, that's scary. I'm gonna be like a mile away from anyone who has HIV.
Yo, that's exactly how I felt when I first got these deets, but now I know better.
Better? Better what?
That there's some ways you can't get HIV.
Bingo! You can't get HIV by shaking hands or hugging a person who has HIV. You also can't get HIV from contact with objects such as dishes, toilet seats, or doorknobs used by a person with HIV. And you can't get HIV from a bug bite either, like a mosquito or tick bite.
Yuppers.
Okay, so basically I can't catch HIV from typical social activities like shaking hands or even hugging an infected person, right?
That's what I said.
Okay, I get that. But I still don't understand what HIV is or how it works.
Oh yeah. I was waiting for you to get there, and I have just the right stuff to show you. Here, hit play.
HIV is a virus that targets a variety of cells. But the cells that are attacked the worst are called the T helper cells. The T helper cells are a type of white blood cell that fight new infections in the body. The body works hard to fight the virus, but over time the virus weakens the body and the virus starts to affect other parts of the body. The virus is difficult to treat because it mutates so often that it creates many different strands of the virus. By the time a drug is effective in treating one strand, the virus frequently has already mutated. For many years, HIV was almost an immediate death sentence. But scientists were able to discover new medications and treatments that are effective in helping infected individuals live much longer than they were able to previously.
Okay, I get that. HIV attacks T cells, but then what's AIDS? What is the difference between HIV and AIDS?
Good question.
When a person first contracts HIV, some initial symptoms such as cold or flu-like symptoms may appear within the first weeks of contraction. However, not everyone has these symptoms, and the virus can lay dormant for many years without a person even knowing they've contracted it. This is known as the latency period, and it can last up to 8 years. When HIV has wiped out enough T cells for only 200 per liquid milliliter to be present, a person is then diagnosed with autoimmune deficiency syndrome. Frequently, in this stage, a person's immune system is so weakened they suffer from a great deal of exhaustion and become highly vulnerable to other illnesses because the body is so weakened they cannot fight off other illness. Many people have died because of secondary infections.